Jones with us today to share the latest on Paradise recovery and rebuilding after the Camp Fire. Thanks for coming back to the show for us.
Thank you so much for having me.
A lot to report, a lot of progress continues to be made, right?
It has. Over 604 lots were cleaned last week, so now we're up to 9,276.
Wow.
And the state announced last night that they'll be finished clearing debris by the end of September.
That's impressive. I know it seems like so long ago when the fire first happened, we were thinking it would take years, but really it's been less than a year for that to be
It's been an amazing process.
A lot of building permits coming down the pike. More than 100 issued, right?
144 issued,
Great.
and we still have 83 more in plan check.
That's good news, good news. You said an important thing about abatement. There were some notices that were just sent out yesterday to people.
Yes, if you did not sign up for the state program or the alternative program, we're going to have to abate your property and put a lien against it for the full cost of that abatement. So we have about 100 property owners that have not signed up. We're trying to contact them to get them to sign up.
Because it cannot just be left as is. It's a danger. It's a hazard.
It can't.
Right?
It's contaminated and toxic, and we can't leave it in town.
And the town can't foot the bill for it. You know.
No, we can't.
So look for those notices if you haven't signed up already. Also, on the positive front, a veterans group coming in to help with tree removal.
Yes, Team Rubicon is a group of veterans that help with recovery from disasters. They have a tree cutting crew, and they're in Paradise right now. So there are places where if you'd like to have trees removed, you can contact them at their website or at 213-712-6200.
Okay. A lot going on along the Skyway. You know, we continue to see construction trucks and all, but there's some trench work that people kind of need to keep an eye out for.
Yes, they've been asking us what it is, and it's not a town thing. It's trenching for communications lines, I believe, for the camp that's at Tuscan Ridge Golf Course.
Okay, as they continue to help with rebuilding efforts. So yeah, keep an eye out when you drive along the Skyway. And we want to point people, we talked about the meetings that are happening monthly a little earlier on, but there's also a regular dinner that's happening for the community.
Yes, the Paradise Alliance Church they call it the community dinner. Anyone's welcome. They serve it every Thursday at 6 o'clock. You just come and meet your neighbors and people you haven't seen forever. It's a really nice thing.
Chance to break bread together. And we want to send you to the makeitparadise.org website where you'll find this information and more. And Mayor Jones, thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day.
Thank you for having me.
We'll be back with more in just a moment.